Hello, I'm Peter Aziz. I'm here to introduce my upcoming workshop on dealing with death. This is for anybody who's got somebody close to them dying, a friend or loved one, but also those who work with others who might be facing these issues around death. We're going to be dealing with this from two angles. First of all, learning how to move souls on elegantly, clearing any karma, any difficulties to move them across safely and happily, but also dealing with the trauma of losing a loved one. And actually, these two are very much related to each other. You see, one of the big problems with dealing with bereavement is the fact there's no closure when they die. Once you understand how to move the soul on, you're working with them, there is a time of closure where you say goodbye and move them on. You see them moving on, and it makes the whole process much easier. It's more like a friend has suddenly moved away and gone rather than going through all that trauma. But also part of what holds on to the trauma in the body is the fact that the doorway to death is open. You link to those energies that still feed on you. When you move them forward and cut that cord and close the door, that energy is gone. It's much easier to let go of the person and know that they're happy and go to where they need to be. So this is very good for all those of you who are losing somebody close to you, but also for those healers who have clients who have to deal with death and bereavement. You're better to pass this on to others, help move on the souls of their friends and take them to the bereavement process. So if anybody has anything to do with death in any way, this workshop is for you.